Hi, my name's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a washi tape border. I will do my best to put some examples of what other people have done with this idea in the corner, but here is an example of a finished border spread. So I'm going to be talking you through how I do this. I've got a second one right here. I am a true believer in using my washi tape and using my stickers and things, and this is a pretty good way to get through quite a bit of it. So I'm going to be talking you through how I do this in my passion planner. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy it and can get some of your washi tape used. I've got a small size passion planner that I drag around with me everywhere. It's kind of a beat up mess, but I use it just as a overview of my to-do list. It's what I take around with me. And so I use the monthly spreads just to fill out what I'm doing, but I don't use the monthly reflections. I actually just use the monthly reflections in my larger passion planner. So what I will be doing, just to give you kind of an overview before I start, is I will be cutting out, and I don't think this planner is going to last me all the way through the year because I've been using it so much. I'm going to cut out these monthly reflection pages from the planner, and then I'll be gluing them on top to make the border. It's not necessary to have a smaller size planner to do this because Passion Planner, which there'll be a link below to their website, has free PDFs that you can print off. So when I did, let me find it again. When I did this spread, I just printed it off of their website. You can just print off the specific pages for the month. So you don't have to use, excuse my dogs. There's a motorcycle. They hate motorcycles. You don't have to use an actual passion planner to do it. You can just print it off from their website. The next thing that you need, of course, is washi tape. I subscribed to the Simply Gilded box for the very first time. And in order to justify it to myself, I'm definitely going to need to use the washi tape. So I'll be using that. But as you can see, you can use any kind of washi tape. It doesn't have to be, it's just whatever washi tape you have, you can use. Let me get my dogs in. I'll be using an X-Acto knife for taking the pages out of my small size planner. But all you really need are some scissors. And then I'll probably end up using something to tear. I use this little spatula thing, but you can use a ruler or a credit card or an old gift card, just anything that's like firm and straight. You just gotta kind of be gentle because I don't want to rip up like the binding. I'm gonna lay this down and then use a pen, because it doesn't matter, none of it's going to show up. The washi tape's going to cover it all, and just kind of do a general border so I know what all I need to cover up with the washi tape. Ah. Okay, well, it's not pretty, but you get the general idea. Again, this part can be super sloppy because the washi tape is going to go past it when you lay it down, so it's not going to show up at all. It doesn't matter. I am going to go through with the Tombow correction tape and cover up some of the darker spots, like where it says monthly reflection, and then down here where it says monthly end of the month checklist. I'm going to Tombow correction tape over that stuff, just so that the black part or the gray parts don't show through. Okay, now we get to start with the fun part. So I like to do mine at an angle, just because you don't have to line it up as nice and you get these really pretty patterns with the washi tape. So that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, so I'm gonna get started. When you lay the washi down, you need it to go past both edges. And then I usually just snip it off. I'll go back at the end and cut all around everything. And it does, I would say, I mean, it wastes quite a bit of washi, I guess you could say. But I'm someone who, it's really hard for me to finish up a roll of washi. It does not happen very often. When I do, I'm always kind of surprised. And so I don't see it as a waste because at least I'm actually using some. These little corners can be kind of tricky. I probably should have started with the corner first. Okay, so I lay it down across. But yeah, I don't know, I never use it all, so I don't feel like it's a waste to have some left over. And yeah, you can see the lines through it a little bit, but it's not enough to bother me. Okay, so you can see it all trimmed up. I've got a nice little washi graveyard going. Washi tape everywhere. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other side, and I like to make the washi tape angle up this way. I prefer the way it looks. So that is what I'm gonna do. Exact same as on this side, but on the other side. R.I.P. Washi. Gonna be responsible and put the lid back on my X-Acto knife. All right, now I'm gonna lay these on to make sure I didn't miss any spots. Looks good. So, fancy glue stick. Oh. I always miss a spot. All right. I might run a piece of washi down the middle. Yeah. Okay, so that is my washi border. I really love how this always turns out. If you try it, be sure and tag me on Instagram at plannerflotsam, because I would love to share your creations. It makes me very happy when I see people using their washi tape. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. I'm trying to do maybe 2 videos a month. We'll see. I'm really loving it though. So anyway, have a great day. Happy washying.